Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, a game-changing foldable with ultra-slim design and next-gen specs. Over the years, Samsung has focused on refining its flagship smartphones with incremental upgrades. While this has ensured consistent performance and sales, many tech enthusiasts have criticized the brand for lacking innovation. Despite this, Samsung continues to dominate global smartphone sales, especially in the foldable space. However, 2025 could mark a significant turning point. With increasing buzz around its upcoming foldables, particularly the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung might finally be ready to redefine the foldable smartphone experience. Galaxy Z Fold 7 launch date and expectations. Although Samsung has not confirmed an official launch date, strong leaks and insider reports indicate that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will debut at the company's next Galaxy Unpacked event, likely set for July 9th. This launch is expected to spotlight not just the Fold 7, but also the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Galaxy Watch 8, and new Galaxy wearables. Some sources even hint at a revolutionary new foldable device that could surpass all previous models in the series. Galaxy Z Fold 7 dummy unit reveals major design evolution. A recent leak from the tech YouTube channel Senza unveiled a dummy unit of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, giving us our most detailed look yet. The dummy model highlights several major physical changes, most notably the ultra-slim profile. Compared to its predecessor, the Fold 7 is noticeably thinner and lighter, making it the slimmest foldable device in Samsung's lineup to date. When unfolded, the device reportedly measures just 4.54 millimeters, a substantial improvement over the Z Fold XXS 5.6 millimeters thickness. What truly stands out is the phone's refined construction. Early indications suggest a weight of just 215 grams, which would make it the lightest Z Fold model ever released. Senza's video also compares the dummy to previous Z Fold iterations, allowing viewers to visually appreciate the scale of improvement in form factor. Punch-hole camera, a small disappointment? One point of concern is the possible return of the punch-hole camera on the inner display. While Samsung experimented with under-display camera, UDC, technology in earlier generations, it seems the Fold May 7th not included. It's currently unclear if the punch hole will be centrally or corner aligned, but for fans of a seamless display, this may be a slight letdown. However, as always, dummy units aren't final confirmation, so there's room for surprise. Confirmed Galaxy Z Fold 7 specifications so far. Let's dive into what's already confirmed about the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Several core specifications have been verified by benchmark platforms, leakers, and insider reports. 1. Next-gen Snapdragon 8 chipset. Powering the Z Fold 7 will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, a powerhouse processor designed for top-tier Android flagships. Verified through Geekbench listings, this chip also fuels the Galaxy S25 series, delivering superior AI processing capabilities for Galaxy AI features like real-time translation, image editing, and predictive text. Memory-wise, the device will likely ship with 12 gigabytes of RAM, although a 16 gigabytes variant could be released in select regions. 2. Redefined slim design. Design will be the Fold 7's standout feature. According to leaked measurements, the phone will measure 3.9 millimeters when unfolded, a noticeable reduction from the Fold 6. When closed, it might only be 9 millimeters thick, an incredible engineering feat. Dimension-wise, the Fold 7 will expand slightly, with estimated sizes of 158.4 millimeters in width and 143.1 millimeters in height, compared to the Fold XXS 153.5 millimeters and 132.6 millimeters. Despite being physically larger, the Fold 7 is lighter and sleeker, indicating enhanced build materials and improved engineering. 3. Bigger, better displays. Thanks to the larger form factor, both the cover and inner displays are getting an upgrade. The cover screen may feature a 6.5-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, ideal for smooth scrolling and gaming. The internal screen will also see a boost, increasing from 7.6 inches to potentially 8.2 inches. This expanded real estate will be perfect for multitasking, gaming, and immersive media consumption. 4. Major camera upgrade. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to sport a 200MP primary camera sensor, a massive jump from the 50MP shooter on the Fold 6. This upgrade promises sharper images, improved low-light performance, and enhanced color accuracy. However, early leaks suggest the 12MP ultra-wide and 10MP telephoto cameras may remain unchanged, a potential downside for photography enthusiasts expecting a full camera revamp. 5. Battery life. The same old capacity. Unfortunately, Samsung might retain the 4,400 mAh battery used in the Fold 6. While efficient software and processor optimization may help extend battery life, many users were hoping for a bump to 5,000 mAh, especially with a larger display. This remains a major concern, particularly for power users. 6. Android 16 and One UI 8. The Z Fold 7 will ship with Android 16 and Samsung's latest One UI 8 interface. It's expected to be the first foldable device globally to launch with this software combination. Samsung also promises 7 years of software updates and security patches, making the Fold 7 a long-term investment for tech lovers. Why this foldable might finally be the one for me. After reviewing smartphones for the last 2 years, I've tested nearly every foldable on the market, from Samsung to Google, Oppo to Honor. Yet, despite my love for the foldable form factor, I've never actually bought one for myself. Why? It's mainly been the bulkiness and weight. Until now, foldables were simply too hefty for daily use. But the Galaxy Z Fold 7 changes everything. With its super slim body, it finally looks like a foldable I could carry in my pocket every day. It's easy to use one-handed and doesn't feel like a brick in your jeans. If the 4.54mm unfolded thickness turns out to be true, this could be the most practical foldable ever made for everyday users. Global availability, a huge advantage. Sure, phones like the Oppo Find N3 or Honor Magic V3 are thinner and more compact, but they aren't sold in the US. They lack support for Western 5G bands, have limited software optimization, and come with no warranty or customer support. For users in North America, the Z Fold 7 is the only ultra-slim foldable with full carrier and service support, making it a truly viable purchase. The perfect combo, or just hype. Despite its incredible design, the Fold 7 still leaves me with a few concerns. The camera setup, while impressive on the surface, may still rely on outdated secondary sensors. The battery capacity might fall short for power users. And for a phone expected to cost around $1,900, these are not small issues. Still, this is the first time a Samsung foldable has made me seriously consider switching. If Samsung nails the final execution, offering improved hinge durability, better multitasking features, and enhanced battery performance, the Fold 7 could become the gold standard for foldable smartphones in 2025. Final thoughts and what to expect at Galaxy Unpacked. That wraps up today's deep dive into the Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that like button,